This is the front line of the permanent disposal challenge, where highly radioactive waste is stored in secure concrete bunkers deep in the desert.
Shot of transuranics, plutonium, americium, neptunium, heavier than uranium, long-lived alpha emitters, persistent hazard.
Alpha radiation is easily blocked by a thin barrier, like paper.
The sievert is the unit of dose. Acute exposure is a high dose in a short period, while chronic exposure is a low dose.
This alternative method utilizes sealed steel and concrete casks for safe, longer-term interim storage of the spent fuel.
Tests confirm full regulatory compliance. This cask is certified safe for transport in all conditions.
Confirmed dirty bomb in the city center. I want full mobilization and a citywide lockdown initiated immediately.
Understood. Executing command.
This defense-in-depth strategy combines engineered and natural barriers to guarantee long-term safety.
The KBS-33 concept involves the vertical emplacement of the spent fuel canister, encapsulated in copper, and
we must keep the waste accessible.
That perpetual monitoring poses its
The symbols just rearrange. It's a dead end.
repository now! We are the opposition!
This alternative approach ensures local benefits and addresses all environmental concerns.
Advanced fuel cycles can reduce the isolation time for nuclear waste from 100,000 years to just 1,000 years.
The budget cannot sustain this. We must prioritize alternative sources.
Generation 4 reactors represent a monumental leap forward, consuming existing waste as fuel.
Initially, the once-through strategy seems expensive. But when we conduct a long-term economic analysis,
wide view of low-level waste disposal, near-surface facilities for less hazardous waste.
Experts estimate the cleanup will cost hundreds of billions, a massive financial burden directly impacting the taxpayer.
the Oklo phenomenon represents a natural nuclear reactor. Billions of years ago, uranium
wide view of uranium ore deposits, natural radioactivity, isolated for millions of years, geological containment.
When compared to other major industrial hazards, the long-term safety of the repository is evident, demonstrating a significantly lower risk profile.
The data clearly shows the risk is minimal, and we ensure robust safety protocols.
Minimal? It's glowing green right there. We don't accept this.
As we've seen, the proximity of the site has a tangible economic impact, lowering property values and fueling the NIMBY driver.
The modeling confirms the long-term stability of the repository.
Excellent. This approach is technically sound and validated.
Close-up of uncertainty, corrosion rates and geological stability over millennia, knowledge limits, residual.
This section here, how does it stand up to the seismic validation?
We've applied the new protocols. The quality assurance data confirms structural integrity.
This segment here seems unstable.
Yes, we are cross-referencing that with the samples from the Arctic facility right now.
Yeah.
It confirms the pattern.
This animation shows the repository timeline, a long development process.
If we move the access road here, it might cause congestion.
What if we reroute it around the park instead?
That solves the issue. We have a consensus.
If we plant the tomatoes right here, they'll get the most sun.
That sounds perfect. I'll grab the stakes for them now.
The readiness assessment confirms the repository technology is mature and proven.
We must demonstrate the strong political will required for true governance. It is time to move forward.
Transparency, volunteerism, and strong municipal governance are the foundations of our success, guiding our practices and lessons learned.
Wide view of global waste inventory. 250,000 plus tons of spent fuel worldwide. Accumulated problem, global scale.
This is the final barrier. We are isolating this material for 10,000 years.